Hey guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install NordVPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download NordVPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here NordVPN. When you type Nord, the suggestion below NordVPN, so scroll down and click on, and here you will see blue color NordVPN app, so click on, and here click on download button for downloading NordVPN on our Amazon Fire Stick device. Downloading will be started, will depending on your internet speed. So the NordVPN has been installed on our Amazon Fire Stick device. Now you open NordVPN from here and also from home. So after installing NordVPN on our Amazon Fire Stick device, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open NordVPN on Firestick, then scroll down and you will find NordVPN. So here is the NordVPN icon, then click on. So if you have NordVPN account, then click on login button, and you don't have NordVPN account, then click on sign up and create your account. So you can use this method to download NordVPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.